Hello guys, in today's tutorial, I would like to show to you how to make a gradient text on Canva application. And let's do that. First, open your Canva application and then make a new project. And after that, you need to scroll the toolbars down of your screen and try to find the apps button here. And after that, click it. And you need to type a type gradient, and after that wait for a moment and then click it, and now you can see it. There's a gradient text here that you can edit. Now you need to insert the main text that you want to make a gradient. For example, I would like to type jokes, and after that scroll down and you can find the colors of gradient that you can edit. And for example, I would like to change the color into maybe on green, and this one in a little bit yellow, and this one is going to a little bit green. And after that, go back to your type gradient, and then you can positioning the gradient. You want to be on the side or you want to be on the center of your text, and yeah, like that. And after that, click add to design and wait for a moment, and now it's done. The text is already the text is already have a gradient color, and that's the way how you to do it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. See you in the next video.